Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a help book for a simple Mac app using ParaDocs. The app we're going to make a help book for is Hello Mac. If I start that now, very simple, one label, one button. Click the button, the label changes. Now let's move on to see how you make a help book for this app. Let's create a help book for Hello Mac. We'll start ParaDocs. First thing ParaDocs wants is a name for the ParaDocs file, so we'll call it Hello Mac Help. We can just save it to the desktop. Now there's two images I know I'm going to want in this document. One is this nice happy Mac smiley face, and the other is an image of the Hello Mac window. ParaDocs gives icons and images default names when you drag them in. You can rename them fairly easily, like so. And the happy Mac we're going to use as the icon representing the app for Hello Mac. Next, let's add some text. All text is expressed as Markdown in ParaDocs. You can use any Markdown editor you like. I've got this set up to use Text Wrangler. You can use your own, or there is an editor provided within ParaDocs. This is the default help. We don't need that. Let's just get rid of it. So, let us have an introduction page. Pages all start with a line like this, @ref:, then a name by which the page can be referenced throughout the rest of the document. We'll have a title, which we'll call Hello Mac Introduction, and indicate, yes, we would like it to show up on the contents page, please. Content, yes. Then, what text would we like to share? And this will do for our purposes. Now what I do want to do is give some references to other websites which will help define some of the terms in the app. So let's tell ParaDocs we're going to want an external link, which it will list at the bottom of the help page, and we'll send that external link to a Wikipedia entry, which I happen to have looked up earlier, and that'll tell us what hello means. Let's have a page about the main window. So we start a new page inside ParaDocs, just with ref, like this. We'll give that page a title, like so. We will have it on the contents page, please. And then now, to actually fill in the correct reference, we can go to the Hello Mac window we have here, drag the icon in, and it fills in the markdown for us that we need to make that reference. Then let's add a little more text. So that's probably enough help. What we're also going to want is an explanation for our contents page. ParaDocs will automatically generate a contents page. We can specify some text to be shown above the contents list by using a special reference at home. We'll just specify that this doesn't show up separately on the contents list and add some explanatory text. And there we go. So hopefully that will be sufficient. So we save our markdown file, close Text Wrangler, we don't need that anymore, and save our ParaDocs file. We've written a help book. Now let's try generating some HTML. We need to set up what we want in a configure document popover. So let's change the title of the help book we're going to generate to Hello Mac Help Book. Here we can specify which icon we want to use. It's already set to Happy Mac. We can switch it to the window if we want. Let's leave it as Happy Mac to be the icon representing the app. And this is already set to running generic web pages. Everything below here is for producing Apple Help bundles, which we'll come on to later. And now to compile our document, we choose Compile. For generic HTML, we need to make a directory in which to put the files, then choose a directory we've created and tell it that's where we'd like to save. All done. If we open this directory, we'll see the files in here. If we open index.html, up pops the help book we just demonstrated. So here you can see the icon that we told to represent the app. We have the list of pages that we tell to include in the contents page. You'll note the @hello page is not listed, but the text on the @hello page is here. Now you probably noticed an issue here on the introduction page. It says external links requested. With an external link, you can either provide a title yourself, or if you just give the URL, ParaDocs will go to the website and find the title. It might take a while to do that. If it hasn't done that, it'll just give you requested rather than the actual title. We can fix that by telling the program to compile the help book a second time, tell it to overwrite the files you've already got. We're finishing, and now if we reload, you'll see it's been able to go and pick up the title from the page. If we want a help bundle that we can drop into a Cocoa app, revisit the configure document popover, change the rendering to Apple Help Book, and this is where we care about these items down here. ParaDocs needs the bundle identifier for the help book bundle. So I suggest what you use is the target apps bundle with the addition of help book. And ParaDocs wants to know what output language you intend to use. ParaDocs will set up the help bundle to represent the language that you specify here. Currently, ParaDocs will only generate one language in a help book. The help bundle format does support multiple languages, and I aim to add that to the app later. Given this is now set up, click outside to close the popover, touch compile, say where we're going to put the bundle. You don't need to choose a directory for a bundle, so we'll just stick it on the desktop. Let's save, and you'll see the bundle has appeared here. And if we look inside the bundle using show package contents, you can see the structure laid out with the language, the shared directory, and the various files that have been written out by ParaDocs. To add your help bundle to your app so that it shows when you choose help from the application's help menu, you need to do two things. One is actually put the help bundle file into the app, and the other is to set keys in your app's info plist. So ParaDocs will tell you which keys you need to set. Having compiled the document to an Apple help bundle, ask ParaDocs to show you the help bundle keys. They'll pop up in a sheet. So we'll come back to ParaDocs in a moment when we need to reference those. This is the Xcode project for Hello Mac, and what we're going to do is add the help bundle into the supporting files section of the project. Do make sure you create folder references when you're doing this. If you choose the create groups option, then it's not going to work. And copy that using the copy option into your Xcode project. And you'll see it's appeared here, and it's appeared marked actually as a help bundle. So the Mac understands the help bundle as a concept. Next, let's move to the plist. And ParaDocs very kindly told us what keys we needed to add to this plist. So this will be easier if you move it to show raw bundles and keys. And we click plus. The first key we need is CF bundle help folder, help book folder, and the string we add is the string that ParaDocs tells us about. Hello Mac help help. And the second key we need to add is CF bundle help book name.
Better them than me.
And ParaDocs very kindly tells us that is Hello Mac help book. So that's all done. The plist is set up and the file is correctly visible within the bundle. Let's try compiling. We'll build and run. It copies the resources into the project. And now we're going to run Hello Mac. You can see the app still works, and with any luck, when we choose help, up pops a help center, up pops a help book. And there we have a working Mac help book with external links, graphics, an icon representing the app. Nice and simple.